Hurricane Pamela expected to blast into Mexico? UN rights report warns of North Korea's starvation risk. Courts granting bandits, terrorists bail to commit more crimes, Governor Masari. Will purchase armed drones to curb banditry in Zamfara, Gov Matawalle. 91 private jet owners fail customs verification test, risk forfeiture. Loans, Buhari, governors using billions of taxpayers' money to service first ladies, says Peter Obi. Democracy doesn't require use of arms, Gov Diri. Man escapes death after his phone case blocked a bullet fired at him. Google announced the creation of a $50 million equity-based investment fund for African entrepreneurs. Hurricane Pamela expected to blast into Mexico?